Okay. Good morning, good afternoon. Thank you very much for inviting us to your beautiful and quiet city or town. And thank you for also organizing this beautiful Somali culture. And I will say a word about the Somali political track known as the roadmap. You heard about that? Roadmap, Somali roadmap, Somali political process. But before I say a word about that, let me say a word about Somalia. We are talking about Somalia after 21 years or so, characterized by civil war, famine, droughts, piracy, and also Al-Shabaab. The roadmap itself is an attempt to establish an effective Somali government, to end the transition. But the Somalia I have characterized it, it's not all about that. There's a different kind of Somalia. There is more stable part of Somalia, and there is more chaotic part of Somalia. There is a north versus south of Somalia. North, I mean the northern part of Somalia, known as Somaliland and Puntland, where they have an effective administration. Somaliland for 20 or so years, Puntland for 14 years, successive administrations, more developmental oriented at the moment, and more stable. But you have in the south, which is the center of Somali conflict, really, for the last 20 years, which lacks the effective administration. You have southern Somalia with warlordism and Al-Shabaab. The south now is divided into 4 zones. The Mogadishu, the capital, controlled by the Somali Transitional Federal Government with the support of AMISOM. You have most the tip of southern Somalia controlled, not totally, by the Kenyan troops and confronted with Al-Shabaab. You have more central Somalia and confronted also Ethiopian troops with Al-Shabaab. So you have Ethiopian troops, you have Kenyan forces, you have AMISOM, then you have the TFG, and you have Al-Shabaab. 5 entities, organizations. That's in the southern Somalia. And so that's the bigger picture of Somalia. So after 21 years, even I think it's more than 21 years, the people are saying enough is enough. This has to end. We need to get an effective Somali government. The transition has to end. So there is this political track, political program, called the Somali Roadmap. The roadmap itself started in June, I think 2011, in Kampala, under the auspices of President Yoweri Museveni of Uganda and the UN Political Office for Somalia, led by Ambassador Mahiga, the Somali envoy. At that time, the transitional federal government mandate came to an end, and there was a need to establish new authority. But the transitional government of Somalia, led by President Sharif and the Speaker of the Parliament, Sharif Hassan, and then the Prime Minister of Farmajo, were unable to agree the timetable to end the transition. So there was a conflict, always. So There was then this political agreement at that time, known as the roadmap. And the roadmap essentially, effectively extended 1 year of office for the authority. But give them a homework. You have to do A, B, C, D within that year. And under the agreement, the main key points were